we create this animation in After Effects, but all that after this short break. I'm using here the CC 2018 version. You can use any version you want. Okay, so let's start by creating new composition, and here we'll name it subscribe, YouTube subscribe, or anything. I will name it like this. And here you choose the size you want. So I'm using here HD TV 1080 by 29.97. okay, all this, and here let's choose here 4 seconds. If you want 5, doesn't matter, like you want. And after that, just click OK. So the first thing to do is go to here the rectangle tool, or by clicking Q in the keyboard. You can see you can change it to any shape you want from this list here, just by typing Q and change. So let's use the first one, the rectangle tool, and just create a rectangle. Doesn't matter the size because we change it now. So let's just change the color. Use this color here. Okay, and you go here and give to rectangle, and you see here rectangle path. Just click on it, and we give to the size. The size here we unlink this, and we choose the size 600 by 150. Okay, if you want to change the color, you can change it also here. Just go to fill here one, and change the color here. Okay, we close all this. Now let's make this rectangle in the middle. So to do that, very simple, just go here, and you see here align, click on it. If you don't have the align here, go to Windows and choose here align. Okay, so click here, and we choose this to the middle, and here to the middle. You see, do it again. Okay, now I like it. Now let's change the anchor point. You see the anchor point is here. Let's just click here the pen behind anchor point tool by clicking here the Y button here in the keyboard, and just here it must be snapping. Okay, just check this snapping and you move. Why using snapping? Because if you don't use it, it will not give you the guide here. The snapping is very simple. So for me, I start the animation from here, so I'm choosing the anchor point here. If you want to start it from here, just put it here. So we put it now here. Okay, and now let's do the animation. Very simple, just click here in the shape here, layer, and click S to reveal the scale, and go to the first second here and make it scale, and click the stopwatch here, and go again to the first frame, and unlike this also. So here I wanted to make here 0, and here we put it 100. If you do that, it starts from here. You see, yeah. So now if you want to make the animation from the bottom here, so very simple, just go here. First of all, we change the anchor point, so we put it here, and after that we change here we change here 100 here and 0 here, and you see. Okay, so I want to set the other one. Okay, I'll change it very quickly. So here's 0, 100. Change the anchor point. Okay, so after we finish in this animation, go to the third second here, and just we duplicate this this K here just by clicking here. And the last frame, just we will duplicate this one by clicking on the K and Ctrl C and Ctrl V here. Okay, and you see now this is our animation. So last thing we do here is just select all them and click F9, or just by just the right click and keyframe assistant and easy. Okay, to make to make the animation look better. Okay, I like it. Okay, what we do now, just we duplicate this one, this shape, just by clicking Ctrl D, or just go to here, just go to edit, and after that click here, duplicate, and you see there is another frame. Okay, so first thing we do, we change the color here by going here and content rectangle, and we change the fill, or very simple way, just choose here the rectangle tool and change the color to red. Okay, and now we get always in the same shape, just click U to reveal here the animation we are using, and let's move this key here to 5 frame or 10 frame. Okay, let's move it here. Okay, and the last one also we move it to 10 frame, and we will see what we have. You see? Okay, I like it. We have finished with this. We have finished now with this rectangle, and we add just the text. To add the text, just by clicking Ctrl T, or just select here. Okay. Okay, I'll just draw this frame and click here. Now you go here to the character, or if you don't have here character, just go to Windows and here choose character. Here I'm using the Roboto. You can use any font you want. The size we will see after. I think it's better. It's good. And also in the paragraph, and just choose here the center text. If you don't have also paragraph, just go window and choose here paragraph. Now just retype subscribe or type whatever you want. And here let's make it in the middle, and we change the anchor point here in the middle. Good. That add some effect to this subscribe text. Now go to here effect and preset, and now here type. Okay, we type. Okay, type writing. I think writer. Sorry, and just you take this and drag it here. Okay, you see what we have then. Okay. So just let's see. I will make this subscribe a little bit faster. So to do that, just go here, or just click in the subscribe text and click U to reveal here the keys, and just let's make it start when the red rectangle starts. Okay, the middle. Okay, starts here, and you can play here with the keys like you want. Okay, let's see. Okay, we'll make it a little bit fast. To make it, just move this frame here. Okay, I like it now. Okay, we have finished. Just we will make it here when it's giving the writer here and start. Okay, now, and we will duplicate this keyframe here just by clicking here, and we'll duplicate first one here. Let's see now. I like it. If I just move here, okay, like I said, just play this with the keys here. Okay, I like it like this. Close all this and see it now. That's all for today, my friend. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, also comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Goodbye, my friend. See you next time.